Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this older CP Rail Boxcar in the green color scheme. And this is what it looks like here. Now there are two versions of this you can make. There's another version which is essentially building this exact same thing but with red instead of green. But we're going to be doing the green version for the video here. French Fried Trains is a channel for adult rail fans and Minecrafters, and is not intended for children under 13 years of age. This is a fan channel for fun. We are not affiliated in any way with Microsoft or Mojang. This is not an official Minecraft product. And as a friendly reminder, I do not take requests at all. Thank you, and enjoy the video. So as usual, we'll start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up on the second layer in the middle like this, and under it put a sideways dark oak fence gate. Then on bottom, on the next block forward, put a netherite wheel on each rail. In between them, an end rod for an axle. Then take a deep slate brick stair, put an upside down stair going this way on the side of each wheel. Then in front of this, we're going to do 5 wide of back-to-back deep slate brick stairs and an upside down T-shaped pattern like this. Then in front of this, we'll do another set of netherite wheels on each rail with an end rod axle, and then an upside down stair going this way on the side of each of these two wheels. Then on the side of the truck, we're going to put a wither skeleton skull on each end and 2 dark oak fence gates on the middle, and repeat that for this side over here. Then we'll go in front of this on bottom, and we need to be in the center. And we're going to take wax oxidized cut copper slabs, and we're going to do a line of 21 top slabs right down the bottom middle, 21 blocks long. Then in front of that, on the next block forward, put a netherite wheel on each rail and an end rod axle. Then an upside down stair going this way on the side of each wheel. And then again, we're going to go 5 wide of upside down deep slate brick stair and a back-to-back T-shaped pattern here. In front of this, we'll do another right wheel on each rail again with an end rod axle, and then an upside down stair going this way on the side of each of these wheels. Then again, put a wither skeleton skull on each end on the side, 2 fence gates on the center. And repeat for this side here. In front of this, we're going to put 1 sideways fence gate on the bottom middle, just like that. Then we're going to come over here and take out a chain, and we're going to come off this wheel on one side. Right above the rail, we're going to do a line of 10 sideways chains coming down. Then in front of the chain on the side of the slabs here, put 3 sideways grindstones. Actually do 4 of them. Then come off this grindstone, and we'll just do a line of sideways chains above the rail and bring it all the way down to the wheel at this end here, just like that. Now we're going to go on top on the second layer, right behind this coupler, and we're going to go 3 wide on the top middle with green concrete. And we're just going to start bringing that all the way across the top of this layer, 3 wide in the center. And go ahead and bring this all the way down to this other end and stop above these wheels. Then we're going to come up here, turn around and crouch, and put a dark oak stair going this way on top of this fence gate for the coupler on this end. Then on this top corner, we're going to put 4 warp trapdoors here, and then 4 on this side here. And we will repeat for this end. So put 4 warp trapdoors here, and then 4 on this side over here. Then next to the trapdoors, we're going to take wax weathered cut copper slabs, and we're just going to do a full line of top slabs coming all the way across this outer edge to this other end. And of course, we will repeat on this side. Start here and do another full row of top slabs coming all the way across to this other end. Next, after that, we're going to switch to wax weathered cut copper stairs. And we're going to come on top of the end right here, facing this way. And we're going to go 5 wide of stairs, facing the end of the car here, across this edge. And then we're going to raise that up so it's 5 blocks tall, all of right side upstairs. So this becomes a 5 by 5. Then we're going to repeat on the other end with stairs facing the other way on this end. So same thing, we're going to come down here and we'll go 5 wide with stairs facing the end and then raise it up so it's 5 blocks tall here. Just like that. Then we're going to go on the side of the car next, and we're going to go on the right hand end of the car here. And on this bottom outer edge, we're going to do 10 green concrete coming in from the end, and then 10 on this side. And then we're just going to raise that all up with green concrete to the top, so it ends up being a 10 by 5. And then repeat for this side and raise this all the way to the top, so it's 5 blocks tall on this side as well. Just like that. Then the other end's going to be different because it has the logo. So on this outer edge in this corner, we're going to do 2 columns of 5 black concrete. And repeat for the other side, 2 columns of 5 black concrete here. Then in front of that, we're going to do white concrete on each side, then 3 black, and then a white on each top corner. In front of this, we're going to do green concrete, then a white, then a black, then a white, then a green. Just like that. Then we're going to do 2 green, a white, and 2 green on top of each side. Then in front of this, we're going to go 5 more green concrete coming in on either side. And then we'll just raise this all the way to the top, so it ends up being a 5 by 5 of green concrete on either side like this. Then we're going to do the doors, so we're going to switch back to wax weathered cut copper stairs. Do 5 inward facing stairs here and here. Turn around, 5 inward facing stairs here and here. Then in the middle, we're just going to fill this all in up to the top with outward facing stairs this time. Unfortunately, we don't have a really good green stair in Minecraft. Same thing here, fill this all with outward facing stairs to fill in the door of this side. Then we're going to take our green concrete and fill in the top, so come down right on this same level here and just fill this whole top middle in, all 3 wide with green concrete here. Right down to this end. Then on this end, on this side only, we're going to do a column of 5 warp fence gates for a ladder, and up here, close a jungle trapdoor for the brake wheel. Then on this end, we're going to do 5 warp fence gates right here, and then 5 on the other side of this end. This is an older style of boxcar, so the ladders are different. Now on this side door, take a warp fence gate and put 1 here and 1 here. And we'll, of course, repeat over on the other side. So come down here and put 1 here and 1 here. Then we're going to detail the roof, so come up here, and we're going to take out iron trapdoors and start on top right where these stairs are. Go 5 wide, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, skip 1 and 5, and we're just going to repeat that pattern all the way down the top of the car, going 5 wide of trapdoors with 1 block of space between each row. And if we've calculated everything out correctly, it should line up with the last row being on the stairs of this end. Then we're going to go back through in between them, and in all the gaps between the trapdoors, we're just going to put 5 gray or actually light gray, carpet in between all of the rows of trapdoors, and bring that down to the other end to fill in the roof details. And now the roof is all complete. And now we have a lot of banner work, so we're going to come into a loom with an orange banner, red dye, put a red horizontal on top. Then we're going to make the bottom half lime. Then we're going to put a yellow horizontal on the middle and a light blue horizontal on the bottom. And then we're going to put a black border around this. And then we're going to come place this, so we're going to go next to this door, one block over, and put one of these right here. And we'll repeat on this side, come over here, one block over from the door right here, and put one right here. Now we have more banners to make, so go back in a loom, this time a green banner and white dye. We're going to put a vertical on the left, horizontal on top and bottom, new banner. Vertical on the left, top half white, new banner. Diagonal, vertical on the left, top half white, new banner. A vertical on the left and the right side. Then a horizontal on the middle and the top. New banner, vertical in the middle. New banner, vertical on the left, horizontal on bottom. And then finally go to green dye. Just put a green border around every single one of these letter banners here. And then we'll come place this for the lettering on the side of the car. So we're going to come up on the green side of the car here, on top, and one block over from the door. And we're going to use our banners to put CP, a block of space, and then rail. And we will of course have to do that on the other side. So we're going to be on top of this end and one block over from the door. And we're going to do the same thing and make it say CP rail with a gap of space between the words. Just like that. Now we're going to go back into a loom one more time. This time a white banner and green dye. Put a vertical on the left and a top half green, and then a white border around it. And then we're also going to need an item frame. We're going to put one item frame here and put that banner on it like this. So there's a gap of space there. And then under this L, put an item frame and put an iron block on it. And we'll repeat for this side. So under the L, put an item frame with an iron block. And one block over from this, put an item frame here with the banner. Then down here, we're going to take a birch button here, 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 and here. Then come on this side of the door and just do a birch button every other block across the bottom here. And we repeat on this side, a birch button every other block across the bottom here. Then we go one here, 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 and here. Then we're going to come over under these banners, one block down from where the letter C is. We're going to put a row of 4 birch signs right here. And of course, do the same thing for the other side. So we're going to come under the letter C right here on bottom. Do 4 birch signs right here as well. And actually, I'm not liking how this logo looks, so I'm going to come here, change this to white concrete and this to green, so it's more flat like that. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side, of course. So come over here, change this to green concrete and this to white, so it looks like this. Now go back into a loom, a black banner and white dye, and we're going to do one of all 4 of these triangles. And this will just make the logo look better, so we're going to put this bottom triangle here, and then this top triangle here, like that. And go ahead and repeat that over on this side. So we'll put this triangle here, and then this one up here, just like that. And there we have it, folks. We finally completed our older style CP Rail Boxcar. And if you want more of these on your train, like I said, there is a version of this where it's exactly the same, except the color is red and not green, so you can build that one as well. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.